History lesson, but don't worry, we'll keep it quick. Back in December 2023, Kingston showed off the industry's first 64GB DDR5 UDIMM. At first glance, it looked just like any other memory module, nothing too crazy. But the real story is that these modules are built using new high-density 32GB DRAM chips, which are more compact and more efficient than previous 16GB chips. So, what does that actually mean for your next PC build? Let's break it down. Hey everyone, I'm Trisha Hirschberger, and today we're discussing 32GB RAM. First things first, let's clear up something that confuses almost everyone. GB, big G with a little b, gigabit, versus GB, big G with a big B, gigabyte. They sound similar, but they're actually different measurements of memory capacity. A lowercase b refers to a bit or binary digit, a 1 or a 0, or an on or off electrical charge that is the smallest unit in computing. A capital B means byte, which is a group of 8 bits needed to form the language of computing. Kingston has actually tried to make it less confusing by adding the it to the end of the big G little b, but everyone else still uses the more confusing abbreviation, so this way you know the difference regardless. Big B, byte, little b, bit. So why is this important? Well, individual DRAM chips, the little, usually black circuit squares on your DRAM, are measured in gigabits, while memory modules, or DIMMs, are measured in gigabytes. High-density gigabit chips make higher capacity modules possible. So here's where 32GB changes the game. With higher density chips, you can pack more memory into the same physical space. Memory manufacturers can use the same printed circuit boards, or PCBs, to make different capacity modules using different density DRAM chips. That means you can hit higher capacities like 64GB using the same PCB you would use for 32GB. This opens the door to building higher capacity PCs like 128GB with 2 modules or 256GB with 4. And what does that mean for performance? More memory means your system can handle more at once. Whether you're gaming while streaming with way too many tabs open, editing and exporting multiple videos at a time, working with large data sets, training AI models, or 3D rendering, having higher capacity RAM makes everything smoother. It's especially useful for small form factor builds, where space is limited but performance still matters. With denser memory, you can do more with fewer modules, which is a huge win for compact systems and negates those performance penalties where memory has to slow down if 4 DIMMs are installed. Another benefit is 32GB modules built with 32GB DRAM run cooler and are more energy efficient, thanks to needing half the number of chips. Also note that while today's Intel and AMD platforms are ready for this tech right away, older DDR5 systems are likely to need a BIOS update before you plug them in. Be sure to check Kingston's website to confirm your new system is compatible with all of these modules before you go all in. So, what's the big takeaway here? 32GB RAM isn't just about bigger numbers, it's about smarter design. By increasing memory density, we can build higher capacity systems more efficiently, using fewer components and less space. That means better multitasking, more flexibility, and more power packed into your build. Let us know what you think, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time with another DIY in 5.